Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Woo! And today, guys, we're here with Valiant, Father Depo. That song called Polly. I'd seen him advertise this, I think on Instagram, but it wasn't called Polly, it was called Polygamy. I think it was called, and the meaning for polygamy, that's the word. The meaning for polygamy is having more than one relationship, having more than one sexual relationship. So basically having an open relationship where a person in a relationship can date two persons at a time or three persons at a time, obviously. So Valiant, Polly, let's jump in on it and you with the GS, so let's go.
Polly, I'm here for car tonight, you know?
Rude. Yo, Franco, I'm soon shoot you back, dog. Soon shoot you back.
Hold on, man. Hold on. This a move too fast. Man.
Polly, I'm here for car tonight, you know?
Rude. Yo, Franco, I'm soon shoot you back, dog. Soon shoot you back.
Yeah, see there?
Yeah, girl, sure.
Polygamy.
Share my girl. But a different girl. I'm going.
No, I never. Rock with me, girl.
Share with my girlfriend. My girlfriend, fuck girls, no say my gems, them.
Rude.
Tap that song again.
Rude.
Polly, I'm here for car tonight, you know?
Rude. Yo, Franco, I'm soon shoot you back, dog. Soon shoot you back. Yeah, girl, sure. Share my girl. But a different girl. I'm going. Pick a boy, girl, and share with my girlfriend. My girlfriend, fuck girls, no say my gems, them. Bitch. She deadly, she freaky, she suck it with her eyes open. Nasty. Some coming at you, fire off my live rounds, them. High voltage, away I want.
Boss out to them girl, look at girl in the dog. Well, them girl, look at girl for carry on for the two of them, but do them thing with yo.
Fire off my live rounds, them. High voltage, away I want. Chanel, day, I'm fully up a Prada. My girl, I tell me go a little harder. Take picture, she love snapper. My girl, let me put the Bangkok.
Two freaky girl boss have, you know. So him personal woman is a top freak, plus the girl where them bring in is a even bigger top freak because she going at the equation, she going at the multiplication.
Take picture, she love snapper. My girl, let me put the Bangkok. She love fuck, I'm a broke girl, boy. Give some fuck. The I'm a money, make she fly up on the man. Have a girl a Guyana, me can't tired. She me bad girl love Guyana. Be a young girl will fly a bat. And from your gut big food, be a man girl wire
Tap that song again.
Polly, I'm here for car tonight, you know?
Rude.
He must say
Yo,
something.
Franco, I'm soon show you back.
He must say a bag of
Soon
things.
show you back.
Raccoon.
Yeah, girl, sure. Share my girl. But a different girl. I'm going. Pick a boy, girl, and share with my girlfriend. My girlfriend, fuck girls, no say my gems, them. Bitch. She deadly, she freaky, she suck it with her eyes open. Nasty. Some coming at you, fire off my live rounds, them. High voltage, away I want. Chanel, day, I'm fully up a Prada. My girl, I tell me go a little harder. Take picture, she love snapper. My girl, let me put the Bangkok. She love fuck, I'm a broke girl, boy. Give some fuck. The I'm a money, make she fly up on the man. Have a girl a Guyana, me can't tired. She me bad girl love Guyana. Be a young girl will fly a bat. And from your gut big food, game man girl wire that bread.
So the girl them not just freaky, you know. The girl them not just rude, you know, them bad with it. Yeah,
Tap that song again.
Show you about that.
but just like it.
Yeah, girl, sure. Share my girl.
Rude.
Different girl.
Raccoon.
I'm going.
Raccoon.
Pick a boy, girl, and share with my girlfriend. My girlfriend fuck girls, no say my gems, them. Bitch. She deadly, she freaky, she suck it with her eyes open. Nasty. Some coming at you, fire off my live rounds, them. High voltage, but where you are? Chanel day, I'm fully up a Prada. My girl, I tell me go a little harder. Take picture, she love snapper. My girl, let me put your Bangkok. Fully. She love fuck, I'm a broke girl, boy.
Can I just say, even though Valiant is signed corporate now, him have some corporate deals. Valiant still put out them type of music, you know, dog. Valiant is like him sign a deal where them no fuck with him creativity. Him just sign a deal and know say yo it's a deal, but don't fuck with my creativity. Make me be the one to manage my creative skills and put out the song that me want put out. If that's the deal you sign, bro, that's good.
Where you are? Chanel day, I'm fully up a Prada. My girl, I tell me go a little harder. Take picture, she love snapper. My girl, let me put your Bangkok. Fully. She love fuck, I'm a broke girl, boy. Give some fuck. The air, I'm a money, make she fly up on the map. Have a girl a Guyana, bitch. Me can't tired. Trinidad girl love Guyana. Asian girl will fly a bat. And from your gut, big food, game man, girl wire that bread. Give me, girl, give me bread. Give me. Yeah. Me a come in on your fear. Take a boy, girl, and share with my girlfriend. Yes. My girlfriend fuck girls, no say my gems, them. Take a girl now. She deadly, she freaky, she suck it with her eyes open. Nympho. Some coming at you, fire off my live rounds, them. High voltage, she like for some fuck her. Skin her out, I'm a fuck her. She a help me for pop off a brand, take off a job. Take it off. This a girl a gone bad. Girl boom flick on the cock, yeah. My girl like see ya set up on the backers. She a change up her moves while my girl a attack. Move. Take a boy girl and share with my girlfriend. My girlfriend fuck girls, no say my gems, them. She deadly, she freaky, she suck it with her eyes open. Gotcha. Some coming at you, fire off my live rounds, them. Fire. High voltage.
Rude. Like me say, if them give Valiant the creative side of things same way, even though him sign corporate, then that is a good move for him. That is a good look for him, you see me? Because him can still put out the song them where him want put out. You see me? So Valiant, pick up yourself, bro. You have put out me like this too about yeah. But yeah, this bad still. This bad. People in the comment section, let me know what you guys think. Obviously, you know, say Valiant are high voltage in Jamaica right now. Valiant about up the scene. Since him fall upon the scene, he might do it and him not drop no catch yet. So I put in the work still. I put in the work and I have to just be proud of Valiant and not say Valiant out there do it, you see me? But yeah, bad song, me like it. Me like the beat as well. Like the beat. Is it no I think I never I would think so. I would think say a Ruppy shoot that one, yeah. So big up on yourself still. Polygamy, Valiant. This is how I'm gonna leave that one still. If you enjoy that one, I want you to leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Soon show te back, dog. Soon show te back. Yeah, girl, share my girl.
I Frank quite reading this, I think too.
I'm going. Take a boy girl and share with my girlfriend. My girlfriend fuck girls, no say my gems, them. Bitch. She deadly, she freaky, she suck it with her eyes open. Nasty. Some coming at you, fire off my live rounds, them. High voltage.
Peace. Look more.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.